Deleting your Big Cartel account is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Log into your Big Cartel account. Go to Big Cartel and log in using your credentials. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name or profile picture in the upper right corner. Select account from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the subscription tab. In the account settings, look for the subscription tab. This section contains details about your current plan and payment information. Cancel your subscription. Before deleting your account, you must cancel your subscription. Click on the cancel subscription link and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Delete your account. After canceling your subscription, return to the account section. Look for the delete account option. Click it and you will be prompted to confirm your decision. Confirm deletion. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the deletion of your account. Once completed, your account and all associated data will be permanently removed.